guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. The last unit of Salesforce mobile app customization is customize compact layouts. So in this video, you will learn the importance to customize compact layouts, how to create and assign compact layouts to users. Compact layouts controls which fields appear in the header. Before going to a challenge, let's see an example. For that, launch your playground and go to Setup. So go to Object Manager. In that, select Contact Object and go to Compact Layouts. Click New. And name it as Mobile Compact Layout. So now add name, phone, email, and any other thing you wish. You can add up to 10 fields, not all fields. So compact layout don't support text areas, long text areas, rich text areas, or multi-select pick list. You can sort the fields by selecting up and down arrow marks. Be sure that you put the name field at first to provide context for your users when they view a record. And now click Save. Now let's assign this compact layout to users. So go to Compact Layout Assignment, click Edit Assignment, click the primary compact layout and choose Mobile Contact Layout and click Save. So now we have finished assigning the compact layout. Now let's see a challenge. The given challenge is to create and enable a compact layout. Brokers want to see important information about their showings at a glance. Create and implement a new compact layout for accounts. Note, to complete this challenge, use a Trailhead playground that doesn't have any record types for the account object. And we have to create a new account compact layout and label it as mobile account layout, and the name will become mobile account layout, and the selected fields must be account name, annual revenue, phone, type. Make the new mobile account layout the primary compact layout for accounts. So we need to note whether there is any record type for the account object. So let's check that. So go to Object Manager and choose Account. Go to Record Types There is no record type, so we can create the compact layout here and go to compact layout and click new, label it as mobile account layout. Now we have to select the compact layout fields as account name, annual revenue, phone type, account name, annual revenue, phone, and type. Make sure that you have selected in the given order and click save. Now we have to assign this mobile account layout to the compact layout. So go to edit assignment. In primary compact layout, choose mobile account layout and click save. So we have finished this module. Let's check it. Finally, we have completed this module. Stay tuned, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe. Comment down your queries, and thanks for watching.